Okay, you guys, I have to admit I've been keeping a bit of a secret from you. 2 years ago on my birthday, I bought myself a brand new Honda CR-V Sport and I didn't tell anyone. Now, 2 years later, I'm back at Honda upgrading again because I genuinely love my CR-V so much. And no, this is not sponsored. I do truly love this car. This time, we did go with a CR-V Sport hybrid model because you've seen the diabolical gas prices out there, so girl math states this is going to save me money. And on top of all of this, Honda even threw in a free trip. Yep, you heard that right. We haven't decided what we're doing yet, but stay tuned because I will film that process. Anyways, come back for part 2 when I pick up my new car. Mwah!